What's up, YouTube? Welcome to more trades. This is Quant on the hourly. I hope you like the videos. Yesterday I posted a video about Quant. If you have watched it, then you might have been in a good place right now in your trade. Subscribe to the channel and smash the likes if you haven't. It helps with getting the videos out there and helping other traders like you find their ways in these bearish times. Now, looking at Quant on the hourly, yesterday I was telling you that Quant on the 4-hourly, was below our point of control. We were over here, this candle I believe, and we're getting rejected. And I was telling you that if Quant can break above the 124, then we might see the 127 and 130 range. And I was also telling you that I was projecting that we might see a rally pre-CPI or post-CPI, as in today. We had volume going down on the move up over here, but now it's changed. We had volume spiking up on this move up. I'll put Quant, let's look at the line chart so we can see divergences clearly. On the 1 hourly, we had bearish divergence. I believe it was here when Quant was getting rejected at the point of control. And at the moment, if you look at the 4-hourly, we sort of have between this high over here and this high, we have lower highs, and then over here on the RSI we have higher highs. That is hidden bearish divergence. Usually in a downtrend, if you have hidden bearish divergence, then that's a continuation of the trend down. Not to say we haven't seen before that when we get the divergence, we get a further pump to the upside. However, the target that I gave you yesterday for Quant was hit, and we got an initial rejection. That doesn't mean that's it. I told you it's 124.5, I believe. We went as close as we surpassed it. We went to 124.9. And we got a rejection from the value area high, and we spiked slightly above. If we are able to break the 124.5 and back test it as support, then I see us going up. At the moment, we are getting support from the zone of the point of control, and we'll see if we can move up. However, if Quant fails, then I can project we possibly may be coming down to the 101 range. It won't happen in one big red candle. Obviously, you might see a move down, have another move up. It might not be clear at the moment, and you might think that's it, we're going to zero, or we're going to the moon. At the moment today, it looked like we're going to the moon. And if you look at Quant, you see we made a 1-2, and for the third wave we made a 1-2, and I think we completed the third wave. So let's take a trend-based fib and try to project it. So to the length of 1, to the bottom of 2, the length of 2, we hit the 1-to-1 extension, and that is good enough for wave 3. Now, if wave 3 was complete, as in this move up all here was a wave 3, then we can say projection for wave 4 would be a fib retracement of maximum 0.5. We exceeded that, we went down, we kissed the 0.618, but now we're above it again. It might be a different wave count, but we could say, okay, we did a wave 4, and if we had a good wave 4, this 0.618 is too deep for a wave 4. So let's look. If we say, okay, market didn't move according to textbook, and this is our wave 4, we could project a wave 5 that can go as high as 144. That won't happen in one candle. We might come to this zone where we have the golden pocket. We have the 233 coming down on the 4-hourly, and we have the golden pocket over here. The 132, which matches with my level of 130 that I was talking about yesterday. I mentioned a level of 130, a projection. I believe the EMAs was somewhere around here, 130. Now it came lower. Yeah, so it's possible to go above 130, spike up to 132, 133. We've seen it's crypto spiking up above the golden pocket only to continue lower. The way this moved down looks like we had a 1, 2. This could have been a 3, a 4, and a 5 is done. Could be a corrective wave, could be some sort of a correction. We'll wait and see about that. But that's my target for the upside that I gave you yesterday, and you saw a rejection. Now going into tomorrow, we have the FOMC, so we might have a further pump. Oh, this pump was it, and it's pricing in the FOMC being Fed Chair Powell being dovish, and we're gonna get a sell-off tomorrow. Remember, big money in the market sells from the highest points, so they rally price up only to be able to sell it again. And they do the same thing. They do the opposite. They buy from the lowest point. So they dump all the way, scare everybody out. Everyone thinks we're going down to even lower, and they decide to pump it and buy it. That's how the markets move, in waves. So that's my projection on quant. Just give you a target that we might see a bounce on the downside is 110, where we have the value area low. We've seen a bounce over here before. We've been stuck in this range for quite some time. We've been here since the 23rd of November. I would wish that either we break the 110 to the downside or break the 124 to the upside and continue further higher up just to get out of this range. That's it for now for quant. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the likes, and I'll see you in the next one. More trades. I'm out, guys.